Hi guys, welcome back to our Topper Chef channel. Today I'm going to show you how to boil pasta for a cold salad. For this you're going to need pasta and water. Now the ratio that I use is 2 cups of pasta to 4 cups of water. And for this special salad I'm going to use this very healthy Costco gluten-free vegan macaroni to make our salad. Okay guys, so to boil a pasta, you're gonna use the 4 cup measure of pasta. Let it come to a boil, and to that we're gonna add our pasta. Okay, so now our water has come to a boil. To this I add my pasta, and initially when you're adding your pasta, you need to stir it for the first 1 minute or so. So what happens is it's evenly moved around, otherwise it'll become a big clump. Okay, so now we move the pasta and now we keep it covered for at least 6 minutes. So follow your instructions whatever your package instructions to make the pasta. Okay, so we boiled this pasta. Now I'm going to add a little water in it to cool it real fast, cold water. So and then I'm going to slowly drain it completely. And add some more cold water to it all the way, and add some ice also to it to cool it real fast. This is how you make it for when you're making this for any salad. You want to stop the cooking, rinse it properly, there, separate, and rinse it really well. Okay, so this is what you do when you are making your salad for prep your pasta for your salad. You drain this really well, separate it, there's no starch in it. And to this you add the salt right away, and then toss it a little bit. To this I'm going to add some olive oil, a little bit of olive oil so it separates. And here I'm adding a little parsley. You can add some salt and pepper again and make it the way you want it, and just toss it and put it in the fridge. If you like this Topper tip, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Happy cooking!